What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, the Subi fam. My name's Brandon. We got a sick video coming for you guys today. My brother Harry recently picked up some new wheels for the STI. Shout out the STI. So let's jump into this video. All right, guys. Shadow's right there. She's gonna be getting some new wheels. He's been talking about this since buying the car. So I'm super freaking gassed. I can't wait to show you these freaking bad things.
See if we can beat the rain. Cloudy skies.
Yeah, all right, hopefully. Look at this.
Wow, I'm surprised you got them to fit like this, honestly, because...
Yeah, I would thought too.
Yeah. I think when we took them, we had to put the back seats down.
Wow. Oh. Yeah. Oh, shit. Alright, guys, so like I said, he bought these from Fitment Industries. Look at that. He packed them all in the car. Subi life, baby. All right, Harry. You're still recording, right, babe?
Yes.
All right, guys. There it is. That's freaking beautiful. Just like I said, shout out to Fitment Industries. He bought these from them. They already came mounted and balanced. Correct, Harold? Yep. Super sick. He also bought the TPMS sensors already, so they hooked them up. Super freaking dope. That's beautiful, Harold. Oh my gosh. Let me know what you guys think. Look at the difference. That's gonna look so freaking good. Oh my gosh. Dude.
We gotta take it this off.
Yeah, for sure.
Get one side off. Do you have like a knife or something? Or a butter knife so we don't pop the tire. Flat tire. Oh, actually, Brandon, never mind. I just used my bare hands.
Oh yeah, dude, this thing's about to ride so much better.
Take your skirt off for me.
So guys, these are the Avid ones, and he went with
Continental Extremes.
Continental Extremes, and they are 225s by 40, 18 by 9.5 with a plus 38 offset.
What color are they?
Hyper black. That's the color they are. Pretty sweet.
That's gonna be so crazy.
That's gonna be killer, kid. Perfect. I think you picked the perfect wheel right now for this setup. So like I said, guys, he did go with the 18 by 9.5 with a plus 38 offset. So we're gonna see how this is looking. He is still on the stock suspension for now. He will be doing, some type of suspension in the future. But let's get these bad batteries on. Buy from Fitment Industries, guys, if you ever want wheels and tires. It comes literally prepared for you. You don't got to worry about anything. You can just get them, mount them up, and enjoy the process, literally.
Oh my god, Harry, wait till you're low too.
Oh yeah.
The black though, like you can't even tell though. Like it looks so good. That's a nice fat tire.
That is a fat fucking tire.
Yeah, that's why I'm saying.
Oh yeah.
Looks awesome.
Oh yeah, it does poke.
Just a little bit.
Just that lip.
Some coils, Harry.
Look at the difference.
That's insane. That's insane.
The caliper like really pops against it too.
And I can still clean it.
These are 18 by 9.5, like I did say, with a plus 38, but these are the Avid ones. And it literally, as we're, looking at right now, we only got one side up, so we can't spin the whole wheel, but it's like just clearing.
So good.
Dude. Killer. Killer. That just put it together, man. That looks sick. That looks sick.
You like it? Worth the money?
We're dropping it. Coils. Coils or valleys? Coils, isn't that like a rough ride thing? Yeah, really. That last one's definitely not gonna fucking happen. And it fucking had it. Are you kidding me, bro? Ain't no way that happened. Our luck. I should have not been stubborn.
And all right, guys, what do you guys think about Shadow, man? With the wheels, oh, she is looking so freaking clean, so put together. Harold did go get this thing, polished up. This thing did get a paint correction. It did get waxed everywhere. It's looking so freaking clean. Got clay barred, everything. So that's why it's, super shiny right now. The freaking crystal black pearl is like literally popping at your face. In person, this thing looks freaking killer, guys. The wheels, let me know what you guys think in the comments. I think this thing needs to get slammed. We do have, we got some more parts for it. We got a front lip. We got a vortex generator. He's got some spats, but this thing's coming together, man. I couldn't be more satisfied. I think my brother Harry's happy with it, but let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys are thinking about the build. I think Harry's build is freaking looking so freaking sick, man. The Avid ones, remember guys, these are 18 by 9.5 with a plus 35 offset. Looks freaking sick. I do know that he is going to be eventually slamming this thing, so stay tuned to the channel. So yeah, Harold, where'd you end up going?
The place is, I have a thing in my, I don't know if you want to show them the cars. He's a really chill guy. He has a Facebook too.
Oh, say
he said
less.
He's gonna post my car.
Say less.
If you keep that in mind. I was like, dude, fucking do it. Look what he gave me.
Oh, that's nice.
$15 off. And I think I might get my wheels
That's
ceramic
nice.
coated.
All right, guys, so this is where Harry got the paint correction and the wax. Came out super well, so shout out to this man's right here. If you guys are in the area and you're looking to go get some work done, go check him out. But we're super satisfied with the way it's coming out. Look at this. You can literally see my reflection in the car. Like, it looks great, man. You guys know black clean looks absolutely killer. Absolutely killer. So with the wheels, the paint correction, this thing's coming together, the tint.
You know what I do have that we could do? That's awesome.
Fucking
This
sick.
car looks clean as
Sick.
fuck, too. That thing looks.
Let us know too what you guys think that what Harry should do for suspension, because I know he was mentioning on lowering it. We are pretty satisfied with the way she's looking right now, but just drop those comments. Let us know what you guys think. Just remember, if you're liking all of our content and you're liking the way the builds are coming along, smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, do it all up. Subi fam out, baby.